generally, I think that INARI is good for position trading or investing. So for position trading, basically I look at the chart only. So I don't really look at any fundamental. But if you really want to do some sort of the fundamental analysis, value investing, those kind of thing, then you might want to check out the financial statements together with the outlook of INARI. So basically, I will just focus on the price action. So again, this is the reaccumulation phase C as a shakeout. So using the COVID sell-off last year as a shakeout. So it's a very scary type of the shakeout, but it's also very quick recovery up. And subsequently, that's the sign of strength rally, that's LPS, and then breaking out, backing up, run up. So this is a reaccumulation range, or you can call it a major backing up action. So depending how you want to analyze it, if you take a look at the super big structure like this, the whole chunk here could be a sign of strength rally, and that will be your backing up, right? And if this is a reaccumulation structure, that can extend all the way back to 2018. So it's about 3 years courses built. So definitely there's a lot of the upside ahead. The number here is a bit small. The first target, I think, is already reached. So that's 3.4. Anyway, let me jump to the point and figure, and let's look on from there. And okay, so this is the point and figure chart. So it's just one type of the chart that I will use it for target projection. So mainly, I just want to make sure that there is enough fuel in the tank so that I can just still perform swing trading or just hold a position because there's enough fuel in the tank. And this is the accumulation and the courses build, and the results that we would like to see is the effect. So this is again another type of the Wyckoff's law. I think it's the third law, the cause and effect. So we have built up all the causes, and then for the effects, we would like to see the results. So we can use this to project the results or the target. So pretty much I use the daily chart and box size 0.1, and I just separate into different segments. From here, I think there is the immediate target. The next target is about 4.4 to about there's a 5.3. So let's say that there is a 4.5 target. And for the reaccumulation, okay, so which is this segment here. So if I just purely rely on this segment, for the reaccumulation structure, the next target would be around 4.6 to 5.3. So roughly around 5, I would say, about 5. But if I just use the first segment plus the second segment, that will be about 4.4, which maybe I think that's quite in line with the reaccumulation. And I can stretch all the way to here. So this is the segment that I'm using. That will give me around 6.1 to about 7.7. So definitely there are still quite a lot of the high side or the upside ahead for INARI. So first of all, I think that it just makes perfect sense to see how far it can go, whether it will just sort of stop at about 4.5 and have a reaction. Because if you look closer, the first target that I have here, 3.4, is somewhere around here, right? So this is about 3.5, so this is 3.4. So right after that, it sort of had a formation, like a topping formation. So it just stopped there and then forming a reaccumulation range. So I think this kind of works out quite nicely because the price actually respected very much. So subsequently, what I would like to see is about 4.4, 4.6, or so around 4.5, whether we have another reaction. So that's INARI. But certainly, we'll still refer back to the vertical chart, which is like the candle chart for all the entry, exits, and decide from there. So this is mainly just for the target. All right, so this is INARI.